is in, and Eric, after it's been a roller coaster of a week, really, some snow, some cold, slowly warming up, and today we may be at the top of that roller coaster.
Yes, that's right. And it's starting out today, going to be temperatures in the 70s, especially in the southern valleys, warming up into the 60s in the Mohawk Valley, even some parts of the Adirondacks seeing temperatures in the 60s. Oh. So it's going to be a nice day today. Sunny skies as well, just a little bit breezy. To take a look at our Yorkville battery. Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Right now, in the north part of the North Country, we're seeing some rainfall. However, that is continuing to dry throughout the day. And currently looking at the radar right now, things are looking dry. Right now, temperatures are starting out in the 50s, a little 40s earlier in the day. Still a bit breezy, 13-mile-per-hour winds right now. Sunny skies in Rome. Clouds will be clearing up today, but opposite from yesterday. Warm and sunny afternoon and evening as throughout the day. Temperatures will continue to warm until around 5 to 6 o'clock. And the warm stretch will continue until tomorrow. Tomorrow being the warmest day of the next 7 days. An outdoor-friendly forecast to keep an eye on what to expect for the next couple of days. If you're outdoors, Sunday and Monday are good. Tuesday, just a little bit breezy and chilly. Temperatures in the 50s, but overall looking like a dry day. Today, though, a high of 65, and we have your full forecast, plus the possibility of thunderstorms. Keeping an eye on that for you coming up. Back over to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. It's been almost a decade.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning. Happy Sunday. Starting out today, clouds moving into much more clear skies. Temperatures rising from the 40s into the 50s, 60s, and 70s for today. Looking like a very warm day ahead with some sunny skies, just a little bit breezy. Take a look at our Cavvy Tower camera overlooking Utica. Some clouds right now, but overall clouds will be continuing to clear throughout the day as we take a look at our Yorkville battery. Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Some rain in the North Country, out in the northeast. However, most of our areas remaining dry. As we take a look at our satellite once again, clouds continuing to clear as temperatures will rise throughout the day. Sky-watch temperatures so far: 44 in Westdale, 48 in New Hartford, 49 down in Mohawk and in the southern valleys. Looking at 48 in Cooperstown, already nearing 50 degrees around 9 a.m. this morning. Around the clock today, starting out in the 40s, rising to the 50s by noon, then the mid-60s and upper 60s heading into the evening between 4 and 5. It will remain a little bit breezy today if you're heading outside and enjoying the nice weather. Temperatures will be a little bit cooler than what they say, but right now between 10 to 15 mile-per-hour sustained winds. However, looking like an overall sunny day across the board heading throughout the day today. And all of our weather grades are looking green once again across the board. The bigger picture right now, we still have a high pressure system out to the southeast, bringing that air to the north, and that is keeping the skies clear for today. However, once again, we are still keeping an eye on this giant system that is bringing that blizzard to the Dakotas right now. And this warm front is moving into our area. However, there's a stationary front that is keeping this cold air a little bit further north, and luckily for us today, this warm front has moved a little bit further north, so we're expecting warmer temperatures across the board. Not as warm as the past couple of days forecasted, but once again, cooler temperatures to the north, and this warm air will be continuing to move north the next couple of days. Looking at the overall bigger picture for the next couple of days, once again, temperatures rising into the 60s in the Mohawk Valley, 70s across the southern valleys right now, and still the possibility of 60s in the North Country. Clouds continue to rise heading into Monday morning. The possibility of a few isolated showers and temperatures rising to the warmest in the Mohawk Valley heading into Monday afternoon. And after the cold front moves through the area, temperatures will fall throughout the rest of the week, falling into the 50s by Tuesday afternoon and going into the 40s heading into Wednesday. We're keeping an eye on the possibility of thunderstorms. We want to keep you updated with this. So far, it is looking like it's going to remain out of our area. The unstable atmosphere continues to be moving out. And once again, we have a high pressure system out to the southeast that is still pushing this severe weather out of our area. So we're looking to remain clear of severe weather, at least for now. Today, a high 65, partly cloudy and breezy, and going into tonight, a low of 50, partly cloudy once again. And tomorrow, a high of 72. Once again, breezy conditions still remain. And once again, our 7-day forecast looking like temperatures continuing to cool throughout the rest of the week. The possibility of snow heading into Wednesday. And our trivia question: what is the least dense planet in the solar system?
Very interesting. I'll go with Jupiter.
Jupiter is actually one of the gas planets too, but it's Saturn, and this is one of the cool things too. It's not possible, but if you were to take Saturn and shrink it down, it would actually float in water. It's the only planet that would actually do that.
Wow.
It's funny like how if you just take Saturn and put it in water, it's the only plant that'll float.
We should try it.
Definitely will.
Eric, thanks. The time now 9:15. Up next, the long-awaited return Sunday. Meteorologist Eric Gage joins us in the Weather Center. And Eric, what a day it's going to be for all those folks who want to get out and do some yard work.
Yes, that's right. Yard work is going to be a perfect day today. Temperatures starting out in the 50s right now, is going into the 60s and 70s in some areas. And we'll continue on until tomorrow, too. So you have a nice two-day stretch of weather. Let's look at some temperatures so far for now. Right now, currently it is 51 degrees as we see some more windy conditions right now, some sunny skies, and temperatures will continue to rise throughout the day today. And let's take a look once again at local high temperatures throughout the area. In the 60s in the North Country, higher elevations might see the upper 50s right now. As we head down into the Mohawk Valley, temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, and down below, especially near Sequoia and Paris, temperatures possibly reaching the 70s. Once again, across the southern valleys right now, temperatures will remain in the 70s across most areas, still in the lower 70s right now. And a live look at a Yorkville battery. Storm Picker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry. The rain from the North Country is moving out of the region. And today we expect a high of 65 in our local area, and we have a full forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Eric, thanks. Yorkville Police.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. We continue to look at a warm day ahead, a little bit breezy, wind speeds between 10 to 15 miles per hour across the Mohawk Valley. But overall, a beautiful day today and heading into tomorrow. Let's take a look at our Cabby Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Looking at much more clear skies heading into the afternoon. Right now, a little bit cloudy skies across the area right now. It's looking to clear. Let's take a look at snowmelt from our last storm on Tuesday. Colebrook still is seeing some piles of snow, and higher elevations are once again seeing continuous piles of snow. But overall, this will be melting throughout the next couple of days as temperatures reach the 60s and 70s across the board. So overall, the snow is looking to be disappearing. Live look at Yorkville battery, Storm Picker 2 Doppler radar. Dry conditions across the board. Once again, the rain in the North Country has moved out of the area. We're expecting dry conditions throughout the day today. And taking a look at our satellite, once again, clouds continuing to lessen throughout the area. Still just a little bit cloudy across the Mohawk Valley right now. Skywatcher temperatures 44 out in Westdale, 48 in New Hartford, 49 in Little Falls. Still remaining in the mid to upper 40s, especially down in the Mohawk or the southern valleys, 48 in Cooperstown. Temperatures today starting out in the 40s, rising to the 50s by the afternoon, and then going into the 60s heading into the evening, 67 to 68 degrees. And also weather grades overall for today, it is looking green across the board. Just a little bit breezy, but overall, if you want to spend a nice Sunday outside, maybe grill some food, it's looking nice today. The bigger picture right now, a high pressure system to the southeast is pushing this clear air into the north right now. Still seeing some warmer temperatures throughout the day today and tomorrow. And once again, still this giant system producing a blizzard in the northwest right now, especially down in the Dakotas, and then across the Midwest seeing some severe weather. But overall, we have a stationary front in our area right now, bringing that cool temperature to the north. That's why some areas, especially in the North Country, are still seeing temperatures going to be in the 50s today. However, the warmer areas looking to push up further north, so expect temperatures in the mid to upper 60s heading into the Mohawk Valley. Conditions throughout the rest of the next couple of days, temperatures rising into the 60s in the Mohawk Valley, upper 60s in some areas as well, heading over towards Oneida, 73 degrees down in the southern valleys. Once again, temperatures in the 70s looking to remain that way. Mild temperatures throughout the night tonight, temperatures in the 50s, cloudy skies in the morning on Monday, followed by some brief showers possibly, and then some skies clearing throughout the day. Temperatures in the Mohawk Valley in the 70s, in the southern valleys just a little bit cooler. Not as warm as today, but right now we're tracking the possibility of thunderstorms, and once again it's looking to remain at least out of our area until the night, and that's when the thunderstorms are looking to weaken, and then once again cloudy skies heading into Tuesday and Wednesday, temperatures continuing to fall. Once again, just a reminder that right now we're still looking at the severe thunderstorm possibility, and right now it's looking to remain out of our area. That unstable atmosphere is still getting pushed by a high pressure system out to the east. So overall right now, that unstable atmosphere is looking to remain out of our area as the rain moves into Monday night and into Tuesday. This is how windy it's going to be for the next couple of days, at least for today right now. The windiest part of the area is going to be the Mohawk Valley, and then later on this evening, the wind shift and looking at higher elevations in the southern valleys, looking to get the highest wind speed in our wind outlook for the next couple of days. It's looking to remain breezy Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. A breezy stretch of weather heading into the early week this week. Today, a high of 65 degrees, partly cloudy and breezy. It's going to be windy with a wind speed between 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, a low of 50, partly cloudy skies. Breezy once again tomorrow, a high of 72, and once again, it'll be partly cloudy. 7-day forecast, the rain looks to arrive on Tuesday, at least Monday night, and that rain can possibly turn into snow on Wednesday as temperatures will continue to fall possibly into the 30s in some areas. And our trivia question, tomorrow temperatures are forecasted to be in the 70s. How hot was the hottest April 25th in Utica on record?
I am going to go with 81 degrees.
It was in the 80s. It was 88 degrees, and it was set in 1915. So way back in 1915, it was 88 degrees today.
Wow.
So, well, tomorrow, but it's going to be a little bit warmer tomorrow, but just not as warm as 88 degrees, almost 90 degrees in April.
Yeah, I think today is going to be just perfect.
Yes, just perfect today.
Yeah, that's for sure. Eric, thanks. Local events to celebrate.
Forecast tonight, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Evening, a beautiful day today. Temperatures in the 70s, 60s, in some areas, especially in higher elevations in the 50s, but overall a sunny day. A little bit breezy though. Let's take a look at our temperatures today. A high of 73 was recorded at Rome. The record was set in 1960 of 77 degrees, so we were 4 degrees below the record for today. Keep in mind the average is 58 degrees for this time of year, so we're well above average. Live look at New York for Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Right now, things are looking dry across the region, some upper atmospheric moisture. Right now, clouds are looking to be clear. Temperature is 72 degrees right now in Rome. Winds are still a little bit breezy heading into tonight. And across the state, we saw temperatures in the 80s down in Ithaca, so a very warm day, especially in southwestern New York. Mild and clear night tonight. A warm day continues tomorrow. We're expecting a cooler stretch of weather ahead in the middle of the week. Tonight, though, a low of 48 and partly cloudy skies, and we're also tracking how cold it gets next couple of days coming up. Back over to you.
Thank you, Eric. Intense.
Good evening and welcome back. A beautiful day across the board across central New York today. As take a look at a Mirabito camera overlooking Oneonta. Sunny skies, dry weather right now. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Some upper level moisture, but overall things are looking dry right now. Our Skywatch temperatures around the 60s and 70s across the board. 60 over in Curtis Corners, 68 in New Hartford, and that warmer air below 72 down in Clinton. And across the southern valleys, much warmer temperatures, 77 down in Otsego and 77 over in Eaton. So once again, a very warm Sunday. The bigger picture right now, a high pressure system is still to the south, bringing that warmer air, and that is going to be pushing that severe weather out of our area heading into tomorrow. As you can see right now, this giant weather maker producing a lot of weather across the area, across most of the United States right now. And once again, that high pressure system will continue to push that warm air heading into tomorrow, but it is not expected to last as a stationary front will be moving out of our area heading into tomorrow. Going ahead for the next couple of days, once again, temperatures mild tonight. Clouds pick up some brief showers heading into tomorrow morning possibly. And temperatures rising into the 70s across the board, mainly in the Mohawk Valley. Cooler temperatures in higher elevations. But once again, the high pressure system is continuing to push that severe weather out of our area heading into tomorrow. Looking at rainfall heading into Monday night and early Tuesday morning. Tuesday looking mild, temperatures in the 50s, cloudy skies throughout the day. As we're looking ahead towards the rest of the week, cooler temperatures. Tonight, a low of 48, partly cloudy skies. It will be breezy once again tonight, and a high of 72 tomorrow. And looking ahead, breezy once again. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Warmer temperatures looking to end heading into the end of Monday, Tuesday, a high of 56. Wednesday, snowfall heading in throughout the rest of the afternoon. And temperatures rise throughout the rest of the week, heading into the 50s and 60s by the weekend. We'll be right back.
Just Eric Gage.
Good evening. A warm and beautiful day today. Temperatures rising into the 70s. Take a quick look at, once again, the temperatures overall today. A high of 73 degrees. And once again, we were 4 degrees below the record for today. And the average still in the 50s. So we're looking at way above average temperatures for today. Mild and clear night. Once again, heading into tonight. A warm day tomorrow. We're expecting cooler weather ahead, lasting throughout the rest of the week. And then starting next weekend, some warmer temperatures. Tonight, though, temperatures fall from the 60s into the 50s. Once again, a low of 48 degrees. and we're tracking the possibility of thunderstorms tomorrow, looking to be out of the clear throughout the next couple of days. Look, that forecast is coming up.
Thank you, Eric.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. A very warm day today. Some areas saw temperatures in the 80s down in southwest New York. But overall in our area, 70s and 60s. So take a look ahead for the next couple of days. Starting out with around the clock, what you can expect tomorrow. Temperatures are going to start in the 40s, but quickly rise into the 50s, 60s, and then 70s heading into the afternoon. So another warm day tomorrow. Still a little bit breezy, though, throughout the rest of the day, specifically in the evening compared to the morning hours of today, which was the most breezy. Once again, a breezy day. It will feel a little bit chillier, but once again in the afternoon, still won't matter. It's going to be mostly sunny in the evening hours, temperatures in the 70s. But cloud cover throughout the rest of the day, especially in the Mohawk Valley, is looking to be a little bit cloudy, especially in the evening, but clouds look to clear out across most areas heading into the evening hours for tomorrow. But around the clock, overall green across the board, not looking at a possibility of rain showers tomorrow. Rain showers expected later on in the night as we take a look ahead to our Skycast and what to expect for the next couple of days. Once again, temperatures falling into the 50s and upper 40s tonight. And going into early tomorrow morning, the possibility of some brief sprinkles heading into the early morning. Higher temperatures in the Mohawk Valley tomorrow. The higher elevations will see temperatures in the upper 60s. And once again, still in the 60s in the North Country. And we have a high pressure system out to the southeast that is still keeping that severe weather out of our area long enough to where it will weaken heading into the evening hours and the night. Temperatures falling into the 50s. So overall, rainfall will move through our area heading into the night and not expected to be throughout the day tomorrow. And then Tuesday, cloudy skies, temperatures in the 50s. Temperatures will quickly cool throughout the day heading into Wednesday as we expect some snowfall possible throughout that day tomorrow. Once again, severe weather Skycast, looking at severe weather possibility, but once again, that high pressure system is keeping that severe weather. That red you see out west is a possibility of thunderstorm development that's looking to remain out of our area as the rain will move through our area heading into late night for Tuesday and Monday. Wind gusts overall, wind gusts are continuing to be a little bit more windy throughout the Mohawk Valley, and then once again higher elevations in the southern valleys heading into Monday as well. And will remain breezy throughout the next couple of days as you look ahead for a wind outlook. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday we'll still see breezy conditions, a very breezy April week ahead for us. Tonight, a low of 48 degrees, partly cloudy skies. It will remain breezy heading into tomorrow with wind speeds between 10 to 15 miles per hour. High of 72, though, so a very warm day ahead. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. After Monday, temperatures quickly fall into the 50s by Tuesday. Snow possible heading into Wednesday, a high of 45. Rainfall on Thursday, and then drier weather ahead on Friday and Saturday. Temperatures rise from the 50s into the 60s heading into the weekend.
Coming up next, the Yankees closing out